into this wine there, Mike.
And so red wine is have bottle, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Bangkok. 3 restaurants, 3 nights. AI planned the itinerary. I documented what actually happened.
Basically, Vladimir Putin in a condiment. Subscribe here, we can get you a free steak here.
Oh my
Oh, you
God.
missed it, you missed it. It's about the service. It's just been waiting here. Welcome to Bangkok, or shall I say, Blade Runner 1949.
Night 1. El Gaucho Argentinian Steakhouse. The plan was simple. Solo farewell dinner. Then I got a phone call.
And I bumped into some
Hello, mate. How's it going?
old mates.
Hello.
Rockers sent me down the garden path so many times it's not funny. But Rockers gave me a lifelong experience of travelling and going to different places and experiences that I never would have done in a million years. So
Bit of Aussie beef.
One, you.
Please.
it's a workout. Yeah, man, the bacon's fun.
El Gaucho. Solid start. But this is Bangkok. One dinner doesn't make a restaurant tour. Night 2. The Local. Michelin-recognized Thai cuisine. Time to test if the hype is real.
So we're here at the Local, one of the premier Thai restaurants here. Your little Michelin man there too. Perfect timing.
That's good, man. There you go.
This is a White Lotus special, this one.
We are going through the entire cocktail menu. Signature cocktail menu. This is the start.
What did you say at a Wolf of Wall Street? So we're going to take one every 5 minutes until we pass the fuck out.
One each of the cocktails, one every 5 minutes until one of us passes the fuck out.
Mate, a little bit
Is that's their little entree kind of things? Mike, you're the food specialist.
of food specialist. This is a lotus leaf cup. So you can eat the entire flower and leaf. And you're supposed to eat it in one. So if you want to have a look at that, it's absolutely deluxe. You know, it's basically Vladimir Putin in a condiment.
You can
That's what
handle
it is.
your chili fairly well.
I know.
Can't you, Mike?
But I think the viewers really want to see what Grok would say. Chew as many times as possible to inflict maximum pain.
Chin out, chin out.
Oh, he's got him. And wash it down with a nice, chili-based drink.
I actually rate this as one of the better meals I've had in Bangkok.
I reckon. If you like a local vibe,
Yeah,
come to the Local.
yep.
Sukhumvit Soy
The Local.
23.
Soy 23, Mike. Yeah.
I concur.
Yeah. Raj
Good
is
chat,
loving
mate.
it.
Fuck
Yeah. Everything has been said, I do concur.
The cats are running. Cabs are coming.
Two nights. 2 restaurants. Both excellent. Most people would stop there. Night 3. Nobu Bangkok. 58th floor, where things get expensive.
Not too bad, actually. It's like $100 and something a night. If you can get in there and get a good deal. 120 $120 a night, and it's awesome. It's a bit smallish on the hotel side, but for $100, you can't go wrong, can you? And I've got my own pillow there too. What an experience! I will. Just a casual little nibble. This is where they do a full thermal scan. This is cool for it. Crunchy. Okay, a couple. We get a lightning display too. And the weather's held off. Wow. Fancy. You gotta get it. You gotta time it right for the lightning. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Oh my
Oh, you
God.
missed it. You missed it.
I take
And everyone here is TikToking it and Instagramming, and everyone's got their selfie sticks out. No, I'm the only one that's got the selfie stick. Well, this is probably one of the better rooftop venues I think I've ever been to in the history of
It's the world.
10,500 is what? $500? But it's a Grand Cru level.
Yeah.
We're drinking.
Yeah.
That's damn good value.
Yeah, it's times 0.05 pretty much.
With the rooftop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the world's largest Nobu, over 3 levels, 56, 57 and 58th floor. You can dine outside in the terrace, you can dine upstairs on the rooftop, or you can dine in the middle, where we are, in the main floor.
Oh.
So far we're cracking the shits about the service. It's just we've been waiting here,
And for people that aren't Australian, cracking the shits means not happy.
not happy.
Yeah.
But there's no one here. We should be number one priority.
Yeah.
And so our red wine is have bottle, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Junmai Jinjo is a 7-1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go and have a look at the terrace. Is it raining yet? No rain? Good. Perfect.
In fact, quite a slow service, I would say. Yeah. That is world-class wine. Talk through it. So we got a 2011 here, a Clos Vougeot. So it's a specific region, sub-region in France, in Burgundy. So this is a Grand Cru level in their affiliation system, which means it's in the top 1% of all plots in Burgundy. So this is arguably in the top 1 to 2% of wine worldwide. As a 2011, it's not ultra premium vintage like 2009 and to a lesser extent 2010, but 05, 09, they were the top 2 vintages in the last 30 years. But this one's got beautiful age characteristics already. You can see it on the tinge there, so it's going. I would say if it's not already at its peak, it's maybe slightly a couple of steps behind it now. Like it's starting to go on the back end of its window.
So this your white fish with
It's the most long.
It's rich, very fruit forward. It's got that forest floor characteristics.
You got to make sure you get the flowers and all the other bullshit in there.
this with a clear palate.
As well, you get that nuttiness from the sake.
Good. This is it, the last meal. We're going to wrap up here at the dinner. It's dragging on. We're going to have one more dinner.
You say dragging on.
3 nights, 3 restaurants, over $2,000. Was it worth it?
Welcome to Bangkok. Scrap the pre-planning, scrap the itinerary. Just you kind of have to just go with the flow here with Bangkok. But it's not much difference between general eating in Australia out and then eating out here. It's pretty much the same. So expect that. I'm going to Pattaya now, and I just asked my favourite little waitress, and she said that it's she gave me the weirdest look ever. Like, are you going to Pattaya now? Why are you going now? It's going to be terrible weather, which I had a look in the thing, and it is terrible weather. Only so much you can cop before you've had enough. So I might do a couple of days there, and then I'm going to head over to bloody Taiwan, I reckon, and see what's going on.
Sometimes AI gets it right. Sometimes it gets expensive. Next, Pattaya.